Okay, so now we come to drilling this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it there. No, I don't have to take the paper off just yet. Because I'm just... Right, we clamp it firmly in place first. We clamp it firmly in place so that it doesn't start flying off all over the place. When you're drilling, you must always, always, always wear safety glasses. Okay.
Is it plugged in?
No. It is going. I've already put the drill in here. Now, if you look, what I'm doing, I'm leaning it over, getting it in the right place, lifting it to the vertical, then with both hands on the drill, start slowly and going through. Don't go through too fast that you end up drilling the bench, because that would upset me. Again, the other hole. Now, we need to accommodate the head of the screw, which is a shape called countersunk, which means it's basically...
My grandfather has a kit like this too.
It means that it is very basically a cone-shaped drill. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a bigger drill in here.
That is so smart.
To make the hole cone-shaped. Now you can see, I'm not sure if you can see on the camera, but you can see that the two dots are here.
They look like nostrils.
And that tells us exactly where we're going to bend this.
Those ones are so scary.
Okay, this is the same as a hairdryer. It's exactly the same as a hairdryer. It's just that it's an industrial thing. If you tried drying your hair with this, it would burn your hair. Can you see that it's actually bowing upwards at the moment? Yeah. What do you think's happening?
It's Jackie's heat. It's thermoplastic or something?
Making bubbles.
Okay, acrylic is a thermoplastic, which means that when you warm it up, it can be softened and reshaped. Okay, thermosetting plastics, the sort of things like resins and araldite, the glue, those are thermosetting plastics. Once they're in shape, you can't reshape them at all. But this is bowing up because I'm only heating it on one side. Now what happens when things are warmed up? No,
they expand.
They expand. So the top surface of this is expanding, and yet underneath it isn't.
Yeah. It's hot on my hand and my hand's all over here.
Well, yeah, it's a very hot tool.
Hence the name heat gun.
Yeah. What I'm really not going to do is leave it in one place. If I left this in one place for any length of time, what would happen? It would start melting and bubbling. And that would be too much. That would be overdoing it.
Want the clamp?
You'll need to point the camera at the vise in a moment.
Okay, I'm ready, boss.
Right, firstly, place that in place. There, the two dots are on the top of the thing. Now all I do is put a piece of wood on there, bend it over.
You snapped it. No, you didn't.
No, I haven't. And then hold it in place for a couple of minutes until it cools.
So we're doing them in
And
clear.
there you have it.
We're doing it in
The
clear
finished
plastic
piece.
this year, Mr. Glyn.
I have clear plastic. If you wish me to get different colour plastics, I can get different
Can I
colour
try it?
plastics.